Welcome back to 33 Hot Rod. I'm John Amber, and we are really excited today because we got our tires and rims in, and we're going to put those on the car. You're going to get to see them for the first time. But before we do that, I want to show you a couple things that we had to clean up around the trunk area. First of all, the area just in front of the trunk lid, the deck of the car was a little bit high, so we had to do some modifications here. So we drilled a couple holes through the body into the frame. Then we countersunk the holes. Then we tapped into the frame. Then we use a couple screws to hold this area of the body down. We also epoxied in a couple of blocks here between the body and the frame to add some support and to fix the location. We epoxied these up to the body, and then when we put the screws in, we'll epoxy it down to the frame. So the ratchet straps didn't work real well getting the trunk curvature back to where we needed it. So we cut these grooves in this little rib here. And that allowed it to flex and bend into the position we wanted it to be. So we'll get everything bolted down, get everything where it should be, get the right curvature in it, and then we'll go ahead and fiberglass this back in. Hey, you ready to see the new tires? We're ready to put them on, so let's go. These are American Racing two-piece 18x9s. Joan picked them out. I think they're really going to look badass when we get them on the car. Really going to be a nice addition. The rubber is Michelin Pilot Super Sports. They're 255/35s. Let's get them on the car and see how they look. Okay, back here we have 21 by 12 inch rims. These are some big tires back here. These are Michelin's 335/30s. There's a lot of meat back here, but man, they really look nice. Hey, we got the tires on the car. They're looking really, really nice. We need to make a few minor adjustments. Basically, we need to raise the back end a little bit to give it a little bit more clearance. But everything looks good. Next time we're going to take her for a ride, so make sure you tune in, hit the like button, share us with your friends, and make sure you subscribe. Cheers.